If you didn't know, Perth, Western Australia had their own tram system. This is the story of Perth's tram system. On the 25th of September 1899, Perth Electric Tramway Limited introduced Perth's new trams. These trams were A classes and B classes. Now this company was an English company. The trams were drove by Western Australian Government Railways. The trams were kept at East Perth Depot. Hay Street, Osborne Park, Como, Welshpool and Claremont were the places they were mostly spotted by people. The route length is over 50 kilometres. Well, some of them are still in operation at Whiteman Park, which you can actually ride them, and most of them are bought from Melbourne. What you're seeing right now on screen is a B15 B-Class tram. This old B15 B-Class was bought from Whiteman Park, and it was also fixed there so they can display it here. Now you're probably asking where this is. It is in South Perth at the B15 B-Class tram barn, and there's lots of historical stuff there, and there's even a museum next to it. The museum has model trams there and more over there. So this is the footage from Whiteman Park. So I'm currently in a W6 or a W5 tram from Whiteman Park from Melbourne, and this was built in 1955, a W6 or a W5. So I'm not driving it, but I'm just in the cab standing with the driver. So pretty cool. Watch this.
Yeah, it's better taking a picture out there. It's really nice. Got a cow here. You just feel the wind rushing. There is the inside of the cab. Now turning. Got this wheel here for some reason. So this is the W1 class tram, right?
This is a W5 or 6.
Oh, okay. All from Melbourne. Desto.
Built in 1955.
Yep, they're very... I've seen one in Melbourne when I went to Melbourne last year. I saw one of these, but I didn't get the chance to ride on it.
The only time they run these ones is usually around the circle.
Yep.
And they're usually W6s or W7s.
Yep. Yeah, they're pretty old.
The oldest one we got is 1925.
Got some old machines here. Oh no, that's the tractor museum. Here's the mirror. Very loud. Pretty shelfing. Murdy Museum stop. Never been on the W6 class tram before. Village Cafe. Now arriving at Village tram stop.
Yeah, we're not stopping.
Oh, okay, I get it. I mean passing, sorry. Don't want to stand too close to here. Don't want to get dropped off and So, what's the next stop? What's the next stop?
Greenwich Junction.
Oh, okay. Fair enough. Now at a railroad crossing, it's past, and I notice we have this trap. Oh, just ended. So, Whiteman Village, now arriving at Whiteman Village Junction. Is it Whiteman Village? Now terminating. Whiteman Village Junction station.
Right, press loading quickly.
So on the 19th of July 1958, due to insufficient trams to run the network, the Western Australian Government Railways Company, the English company, decided to close down the network, the whole entire network.